and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be going over some of my very favorite full coverage foundations. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you will know that I consider myself a full coverage queen. So I thought I would share some of my very favorites with you guys, and that way if you are looking for a new full coverage foundation, this might be a list that might come in handy for you. So if you are interested to know what my favorite full coverage foundations are, then please just keep watching. Okay, so I think the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to start with drugstore and then I'm going to move into high end. So for the first full coverage, I dropped it, whoops. The first full coverage foundation I'm going to talk about is going to be this. This is going to be the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I have this in 2 different shades depending on if I'm fake tanned or not. This is about $11 or $12. I bought mine at Walgreens. It's really good. I will say it is very thick. So like watch when I pump it out. Oh, do you see that? So if you do not like super thick foundations, look, see how it's not even remotely moving down my hand? That's how thick this foundation is. So if you do not like thick foundations, you will probably not like this one. However, it does provide one of the 2 most full coverage covers. Does that even make sense? It provides one of the highest coverages that I've gotten from the drugstore. So if you're looking for a good drugstore one, I definitely recommend the Milani. The only other drugstore foundation that I have in the lot is going to be one of my very favorites, not only just of drugstore, but in general. I freaking love this stuff. This is the somewhat new Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I have mine in the shade 128 Warm Nude. This is a good shade for me if I am not self-tanned or if I haven't been out in the sun. I love this. Once again, it has a pump. Go drugstore. I'll squirt this one out too so you can kind of see. That one is a little bit runnier. It's kind of hard to see, but it does have a little bit more of a run. It's not necessarily as thick as the Milani one, but it does provide amazing full coverage. If you are interested to see this one in play, I actually have a first impression on my channel. So go find that and you will see exactly how well it covers. If you guys are new to this channel, one thing you'll learn about me is that I have a lot of freckles. So you probably can't tell right now because I did just do my makeup, but I have a lot of freckles. So if you're looking for a pretty good full coverage from the drugstore and you have a lot of freckles, I definitely recommend the Maybelline one because it works for me, so I assume it would work for you as well. The rest of these high-end foundations are going to be relatively new to my collection. I will start with this one. This one I've been using for about 9 months probably. This is the Huda Beauty. I've used it so much it's actually worn off. The Huda Beauty Faux Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation. I am in the shade 300 Latte. One of the things about this is it has a very strong scent, so if you are prone to not liking scents or them giving you a headache, you are not going to like this product. It is very strong, smells like almost like a perfume or a floral, but it is very good. This is probably one of my favorites, if not my favorite in the entire collection. It works so well. It stays on forever. It does have a pump, which is nice. It is a little pricey, but I've had this for 9 months. I use it a lot, and as far as I can tell, I still have quite a bit in there. So if you're looking for a good one, I recommend this. I will say that it looks darker in the bottle than it is, so I would go up a few shades. I initially started trying this on at like 180 and I ended up getting 300 because the look in the bottle is quite deceiving. So if you are looking for another good full coverage foundation and you have not tried the Huda Beauty one, I recommend going to your local Sephora and giving it a shot. Another new favorite to my collection is going to be this. This is going to be the Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. I have mine in the shade Almond. This is what is on my skin right now. You literally need the smallest amount of this to make your skin look flawless. Like I said, I have lots of freckles, lots of imperfections. This covers it up almost completely. So if you are looking for another good one, this is about $30-something. It does say to shake well. I'll give you guys an example of the texture of this one. This is the runniest of the lot. You ready for this? So that you can see it is running straight down my hand. The only bad thing about this is that Jouer is available online only, but I will say one of the cool things about them is that they offer an entire foundation sample pack for free on their website, which is how I determined what shade I was. So I went on their website, I think I ordered like a blush or lip gloss or something, and then I ordered the foundation sample pack, and it gives you the entire shade range for free, and then you can figure out what shade is your best one, and then you can go back on the website and order it. So it's a shame that it's only available online. However, they do offer that to you. So go on their website, order their little foundation sample pack for free, get it home, figure out what color is yours, and then fall in love with the Jouer foundation because it is so good. I love you. I'd kiss it for real, but I got lip gloss on. This next one I think might be my very favorite of all time, and that is going to be the Urban Decay All Nighter. I know that this, oh, sorry. I'm so sorry it's dirty. My bad. But this one has kind of a complicated history with people. Either people love it or they hate it. I happen to be one of the lovers. The very first time I wore this was New Year's 2016. My friend got married. I literally wore this. I'd never go to sleep in my makeup. Accidentally fell asleep. Woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning, freaked out because I knew I still had my makeup on. Went to the restroom, looked in the mirror, and my makeup was perfect. When I say perfect, I mean perfect. I will wear this if I know I need to look good for a long amount of time. I will wear this if I know I'm going to be doing a lot of dancing, a lot of sweating, that type of thing, but I still want a full coverage look. So if I'm going like out to the club, but your girl is old so she don't go to the club no more. But if I were to go to the club, this is what I would wear. I have it in 2 different shades. This is shade 6.0. This is the shade that I wear right after I self-tan. And I also have 4.5. So if you are looking for a good one, go into Sephora and have them give you samples. One thing that a lot of people don't realize is that Sephora will give you samples. I literally went in one day and I think I got 4 or 5 different foundation samples because for somewhere between $35 and $60 for a bottle of foundation, like, I want to try it first. And generally a sample can give you 2 to 3 tries, at least me, because I like a lot. But I recommend going to Sephora, getting yourself a sample, and seeing if you like it. So go ahead, go to your Sephora and get yourself some Urban Decay and let your girl know if you like it, because to me, it is the bomb. If you can believe it, we have made it to the final foundation in the lot. That is going to be this one. This is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation. I have mine in the shade 2 into Linen. This is another new one. I got this because of the recommendation of Tati. If you don't watch her, she is one of the OGs of YouTube. She puts videos out 5 days a week. She's crazy good at her job, and she recommended this. She does have a little bit older skin, which I appreciate because I am getting older. I am no longer 20 years old, so I need a little bit of something that helps make my face look great while providing the coverage that I want. And she recommended this, and I have to say I love it. It's not my very favorite, but I will wear this on days that I don't necessarily want the fullest of the full coverage, because I would say this is full, but it's not like, it's not the same as Jouer full is like crazy. This is like pretty full. So if you're looking for a good one and you also have aging skin and are looking for a nice full coverage foundation, I recommend the Laura Mercier. Alrighty, you guys, that ends my video today going over all of my favorite full coverage foundations. Hopefully, maybe your favorite was in here as well, or if not, leave me a comment down below and let me know what I'm missing out on. As I said, I'm a full coverage queen. I am always looking for the next best foundation, so please leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite is, especially if it's not in the lot, and I would love to try it. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to like this video by giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel by clicking the link down below, and hit the notification bell. That way you are notified every single time I upload. Until I see you guys in the next video, thank you so very much for watching. Bye! These lips are juicy, honey! Yeah.